Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're gonna talk about is I'm gonna give you 3 tips to make more money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And that happens every single day. So if you don't get any of these, make sure that you check out my channel because I am putting content every single day out. So, this is not going to be some very practical things because a lot of people overlook this, but a very big part of making money online is to actually set your mindset right. Because if you're looking to make some money with some apps or something like that, or some websites and different things like that, you may able to do that. Like some websites allow you to make some money not by doing very much. However, if you're looking to make some real income, something that you can actually live off and thrive at, like if you're really looking to make more than $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, millions, it doesn't matter. If you're looking to make some real money online, you have to set your mindset right because so many people think that it's just some technical things and all that stuff, but you really have to get it right because if you're not really in your head and you don't think that you can actually do it, then it's going to be a lot harder because that will, if you believe that you can do it, that will dictate whatever your actions are afterwards. So that is a very important thing. The next thing is you want to know exactly what you want because some people think that they just want money, but money isn't going to make you happy. What is going to make you happy is what you can do with that money, the experiences that you can have. It doesn't matter what you want. If you want a nice car, feel yourself in that car driving it, everything about it. If you want a nice house, same thing, feel yourself like opening the door, like what you actually want, and go further into that. Why do you want that house? Why do you want all these different things? Why do you want to travel the world? Where do you want to go? What experiences are you going to have? And you have to really dig deep into that to know exactly what you want and what you're going to do with that kind of money. And the next thing is you really have to take some massive action because so many people just think that they want money, and I was guilty of this a while back as well. You think that like you really want that money, but you don't do anything about it. It would be like, yeah, I would really like to make $100,000, for example, but you never do anything about it. So you're not going to make that $100,000 ever because you haven't actually decided to take massive action because it's a decision. You have to actually decide that you're actually going to do this. So you have to choose a platform. I always talk about this as well. If you don't choose a platform, like how you're going to make money online, you're not going to do it because there are so many different ways to do this. But for example, if you choose to do it with YouTube, like I'm doing, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're trying to sell courses, if you're trying to sell your own products, this is the best way to do it. You have to choose a platform, whether it's a blog or a YouTube channel. And by the way, YouTube is the best way to do this. And like, I'm not going to go into detail about this because I've talked about this so many times in my late videos. So YouTube is the best way to do this, but you really have to decide that you're actually going to be consistent because consistency is what's going to make you like be able to go wherever you go. Because if you make a video every second month, or if you make a video every 3 weeks or something like that, it won't happen. You have to put out, like, get ready to put out content every single day, or at least like 3 to 4 times a week. And I'm doing this every single day, but the goal of this is that people will get to know you. They won't forget you Also, YouTube will help you rank your videos up way more if you put out consistent content. Because if you do this once a week, YouTube will just forget about you. Your audience will also forget about you. So you really have to be consistent. And that's just YouTube. But if you go in any business whatsoever, you have to show up every single day. You know, Gary Vee said, if you put out it goes something like that. This might not be the exact quote, but if you post a video every single day, you will not have to worry about money ever again. So if you post a video every single day for a year, you will never have to worry about money again. And I think this is true to an extent, because if you really focus on growing your channel or growing whatever you have, then there's a good chance that you will never have to worry about money again. But here's the thing, you have to do this every single day. That means on Christmas Day, New Year's, your birthday, you know, public holiday, it doesn't matter, you have to put a video out. So I hope this got like some really big insight, but you have to actually believe that you got this, and you have, like, believe me, if you have a computer and a Wi-Fi connection, then you can absolutely make some money online and make some really big money online. So with that being said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're new. Also hit that notification bell, because I really like to see all you guys subscribe. Also, leave me a comment, because I always appreciate those. Leave me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.